73 Roadrunner 1. You can see a long ways here, can't you? This is Highway 51. Well, it's Park Road 51. State Park in Ohio. Looking for Bigfoot. Hard on suspension here. Take it easy here with the pine forest. Really good hiding spot, ain't it? Boy, what a hiding spot. And you know what? This road goes forever. I'm going to get turned around here. Go over there and take a look at that lodge. And get on out of here. Oil filter for my car tomorrow, I guess. Oh. Looks a little strange down there, don't it? Right there. I don't see anything down there. You could almost see a face, but I think it's just bushes. Right there in the center, more or less. That don't look like it. Yeah, that's it. That's weird. Okay. I don't see anything along there either. Yeah, I know. Let's get on back here. Now we're heading into the sun. says, where's my... We're heading... What? Yep, due west. Good. Let me take a drink here. Put the old shades on. Get the old smoke out. It's a little chilly doing that. Cold on your hand. In the 20s, I'd say. I gotta get some fuel oil from my mother-in-law. Be nice if I'd stay on the road right here. Hey, you never know. I might review my video here when I get home, and I might find something. Who knows? You know? This is my kind of research. Hey, I covered a lot more ground than those guys did. A lot more video, too. A lot more. What the hell is that? Probably a gunshot. Seen it.